Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I am Neha Jakhotia and in today's video I'm going to talk to you about a new brand that I came across Instagram. Of course I know you guys might be like कि Instagram से कितना खरीदती है भाई, but yeah, I browse Instagram and when I come across a new brand I feel like let's just try it. What if it works out, and the price point and everything and all those things. So yes, again when I was going through my Instagram profile, in my feed I saw a brand called Beauty People. Earlier also I tried purchasing, but then I somehow stopped, and this time I purchased from them. So this is what the box looks like in which it came. It was filled with thermocol sheets, not even balls, thermocol sheets, and then there were all the products in there bubble wrapped. So they had quite a few range of lipsticks and nail paint, so I thought why not give it a try, and I bought three different lipsticks from three different ranges and two nail paints from two different ranges. So the nail paints are velvet matte nail lacquer. First one, these are priced at 250 rupees, but I got it at 179 rupees. Yeah, so the MRP written over here in this barcode sticker is 250. However, I got it for 79. They were having a good discount on that page, which actually made me purchase it. Otherwise, I might not have. And the other one, it's priced at 99. However, I got it for 39 rupees. And the other things that I have is three lipsticks from their three different ranges. So this is priced at 149. However, I got it for 89 rupees. So this is their I'm in the shade 507. So this is their Beauty People Sheer Color Lipstick, and this is their another Beauty People Pure Matte Lipstick. I got it for 125 rupees. However, the price of this lipstick came in a carton box like this. This was the only lipstick that came in a carton box, and they are priced at 250, but I got it for 125 rupees. And the another one and the last one that I have, which is the costliest of all of this, is this one, the Beauty People Pout Me Matte Lipsticks, and they are priced at 599, 600 rupees. However, I got it for 150, 149 rupees. So now let's move on and talk about these products. If you were noticing me, you would have noticed that I was looking down at something and reading the names, right? That is because these brands have not mentioned the range on the product. So it just has the name Beauty People and some detail over here, a few more details about the color and everything over here, and that's it. How is a person supposed to understand which range am I talking about? Or in fact, for that matter, when I first received it, how am I supposed to know कि कौन सा lipstick कौन से range का है? Of course, I go and check their name or the color code over here, and then go and check their receipt that I got. Only then will I know कि ये कौन सा range है. Otherwise, how am I supposed to know? You just have the name Beauty People and your tagline over here, and that's it. I mean, are you really even kidding me? When you even are promoting a brand on Instagram, it's reaching hundreds and hundreds of people. Did you not take these things into consideration, that you have a whole 4-5 range of lipstick and you have not mentioned it? The biggest flaws of the packaging. Okay, so this is the cheapest one. It says it's a sheer one, and this packaging, however, is pretty nice. It's looking very beautiful, but of course it has no name. And this packaging is also nice, but again it has got no name. I tried all these products, and before I start to tell you anything else, let me just tell you that I am hugely disappointed with these products, because if you go out to a local store and buy some non-branded products, that's precisely how these lipsticks felt. Or when you were kids, you used to make your own lip balms using bee wax and the crayons. That was precisely the feel these lipsticks were giving me. And I'm not kidding, I'm not just talking about one range over here, I'm talking about the whole range. I mean to say, I'm talking about all the three lipsticks. The color pigmentation could have been a point that I would have overlooked maybe, but the formulation and the smell and everything, it's almost similar in all the three lipsticks. And what's the point of having a brand and selling products that you can get in a local store for even cheaper price? It was very disappointing. Or even, you know, this thing that's going on, that the product is priced at 600 and then you get at 150 because you know that you have not made a good product, maybe. Very disappointing. The application is pathetic. It doesn't apply properly. You literally have to tug it across your lips. You cannot just, you know, take it and apply it smoothly. Had these things been there, I would have overlooked everything else. Had the product performed well, I could have overlooked everything else. But the product has performed so pathetically, so badly that I cannot even start to tell you. Yes, these are one of those kind of brands that you get in a local store. However, I appreciate the fact that they are trying to, you know, promote it and make a different brand. But if this is what the product is, dude, it's not going to work. It's not, absolutely not going to work. So this was the first color. You know, it looks a really pretty color, but then when you apply it on your lips, I don't know, it's not giving me the feel and everything. So this is what the color looks like. It's 1009 Lilac Rose. And then now I'm going to give you a swatch of how it looks on my lips. The pigmentation is fine, but the application was not smooth. You know, even when you go ahead and buy an L18 lipstick, which is priced at 110, they perform like way better than what these lipsticks are performing. And they feel like, you know, you have a waxy thing going on your lips. Koi sa wax leke aapne laga liya ho apne lip pe. It's not that, it doesn't settle down that easily. And of course, these are not even transfer proof. So they did not even stay on my lips for more than 2 hours. I had my food and it all went inside. You know, and I was so unhappy with that. Khalia, I do not, you know, I mean to say, I can't even start to tell you कि कितना बुरा सा feeling है, तो पता नहीं क्या होगा, कैसा होगा, and मैंने खा लिया. It literally gave me that local brand वाला feel जो आपको कहीं पे भी मिल जाता है ना. Very disappointing. Yes, now let's move on to another one. This one is their sheer color lipstick, and I bought a red. I don't know if you can see, but the color itself and the smell, oh my god. Feels so dry and tugging even at my hand, if you could see. Let me just try it for you. So this is what the color looks like. The pigmentation is nice, but then the feel of it, the waxiness, the fragrance, I am hating all of it, and I just cannot tend to keep this on my lip for long. I just feel like let's just remove it. It's better to have a cheaper brand, a drugstore brand, than go for something like this. Not working for me again. As you can see, my lips, it has left a lot of paint around my lips. So let's move on to the last one, and this is an orange. They just have created different lines, different variations, you know, this is that, but the product is almost, it's not even almost, it's all similar. There is no change in the formulation or texture or pigmentation or application, nothing. It's literally the same thing in all the products. They just have created a lot of varieties of one single product. However, that has disappointed me to another level. Move on to the nail paint. This is what I'm wearing. This nail paint, yes, it dries out very quickly, and it gives you a very matte finished velvety kind of nails. They actually work the way they claim. This was one product that I was very happy with, and so is their mini nail lacquer, and which is what I like is the packaging is really nice. The quantity is less and so is the price, so you don't have, for people like me who hoard things, I generally tend to buy too many. It's good that I might be able to finish this up, might not be able to, but might be able to. So but then again, you know, if you go to any local store and you say that you want a nail paint with matte finish, you get nail paints. There are several nail paints right out there which are priced at pretty less, like real less, and they perform the same way. So really, I hope you understood what I'm trying to say here. These, of course, they have created a different brand name and they are trying to promote and everything, but the product and the quality, it's a similar of those locally made products. So I really don't think that you should invest your money in these. It's a big nay, like 2 thumbs down. Do not purchase. I literally purchased worth 500 and now I feel that I've wasted even 500 rupees of mine. Guys, do not purchase anything from this brand. As of now, at least, I would not say the formulation or the you know, smell or the fragrance of the product and the range, even right from the packaging to the end product, it's all shit. Do not purchase. Do not regret the way I'm regretting it right now. Okay, with that, with all those regrets in my heart, if you liked this video and if I was helpful to you, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. And do not forget to follow me on my other social medias, and I'll see you next time with some new brands and new products. Bye.